coming right at us. Hey, they're coming right behind the boat now.
Yeah, they're going right behind the boat.
You can walk back here if you want. Oh, nice, neat. Yeah. Back here. You're on, Joe.
Nice and slow, Joe. Remember not to
Kind of pull your rod up and just leave it right there and reel, buddy.
You may have to, fight him a little bit. I don't know, depending on what it is. If he's pulling, just let him pull the drag. If you hear the clicking, don't. There you go. What is that? That's
it's a big old mackerel. I got it, buddy. Let go of the rod. Yeah.
Yeah, if there's anything that's keepable, we would definitely, because we got a family of 15 that says
okay.
Whatever,
That's
grill it.
That's keepable,
Yeah,
for sure. Look here, buddy.
Mom loves the mackerel.
All right.
You got him.
Can you reel? Sweet. Whoa, go, buddy, go.
There it is. There it is, right there.
I think she's got a little red fish.
You flip them or no.
He's got one too. Well, actually, you know what? Just put them right together. I got video going. All right. Yeah, you can flip that one into the boat. Walk on backwards. Look at his.
He's got like 10.
His got a bunch of spots. Walk all the way backwards, son. Hold that fish up in there. Hold that.
Yeah, these are red fish.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
What do you have in Florida? Like slats?
Yeah, these are going to be just under. Yeah, that's a great multi-spotted redfish there. Here, buddy. Can you hold that one towards me? Yeah, let me see the other side.
2.
Your hand's in the way.
Oh,
it's only 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
You swallowed
Good job,
it,
Jess.
You nailed it.
Signing off.
Wow.
Look at that.
Hi, Chicago.
Yeah, walk on over here, son. Don't worry about that line, just reel them in. Okay, whoa, that's a good one. You can let go. Yeah. Look here. Okay, I'll cut off and let you hold him.
Oh, there he is. When he's pulling, just hold him. There you go.
All right. Just keep reeling them up.
Keep going. Pull down a little bit.
I'll get him.
Oh.
Here, put him in the water for a second.
Okay.
Kid's got one. Start pulling him to your left, son. I'll come back that way. Yeah.
Oh, that's getting bigger.
It's a nice one. Okay.
Should I just... Oh, there's only one spot on this guy.
Nice fish, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll let him go.
Swallow it.
Yeah, he's going to be just under 18. We'll measure him. Go ahead and hold him in water. I got to get your sister's fish off.
Oh, I already got it.
Hold him up so your dad can get a picture there. Alright, kind of push him out more towards me and twist him just a little bit like that. Hold him right there. Got it? Alright, that's a nice pick. Whoa, rod's bending. Okay. Looks like you got him. Come right over to me. Look here.
Just gotta cast him in the right place.
Yep, alright, that's a nice one. And put him in the water. Take him off in just a second. Nice fish. Keep steady pressure. You might want to get that net there. Go ahead and reel yours in, son. Get a nice fish here. Oh, that's a nice red fish there. Can you? Well, can you just video?
Yeah.
Just hold that, it's already going. Exactly what you're doing. Oh yeah. Okay, slow down now. He's stuck on another line. It might be stuck on that top. Just go a little bit. Yeah, he's stuck on that line. Feel like he's not coming now?
No.
That redfish is stuck out there. Just kind of hold your ground there.
Okay.
Don't pull, Joe. Just that other line's holding the fish.
Just stay where you're at. Let somewhere right for about.
Just drift back to it and grab it.
Get it all in there?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Great. You can turn the red button off. No, keep reeling and walk up there in that corner. Just coming straight to you. Just kind of watch that. There you go. Nice one. Let's see. So you're kind of lifting over this rope here. He's going to be just under. I'll measure him real quick. Yep, he's 17.
Yeah.
1 inch short.
Okay. Small? He's got 2 spots on that one side. Good job, buddy. Alright, drop him back in the water. I'll get the hook out. Okay, alright. Pull him up. That's a nice one. Just kind of hold him right there. Alright, Joe. Another one for Joe. Good job, buddy. Drop him down in the water.